and continue to teach.
Myntri rangba ka Meghalaya o Conrad Sangma hene kasngi ula Pyniaid Iaka Jingialang jong ka Kynhun ki Myntri Halor ki Casino racecourse bat Jingialang online hanong ba Delhi. Hadien kene u Conrad ula ong ba hadien bala shim Iaka Jingai jingmut ki nongdon benta bat hadien ki Jingialang ki babut jong baro ki khot ka Kynhun ki Myntri kansa shim Iaka Jingai jingmut jong ki kam bayadei bat ka an hashwa ban ai Iaka kaipot bakhadu.
The point is that these are all three different games and hence we cannot have the same formula going through all. So that's the complication that comes in and we are working on all these things. That's the reason why this particular GOM is taking slightly more time because it's a very complex issue and it's got a lot of legal aspects to it and different court rulings are there. All these things have to be taken into consideration. But yet the GOM has been made for all three and we have to it's almost like three GOMs into one, and that's the reason why this is slightly more complex. But we are approaching the end, and we're hopeful that in the next 1 week, 10 days, we should be able to.
Ka Myntri rang badu ka Bangladesh.